Hey guys, Bob here. I want to show you a car. I have not put this car on the channel yet. It's twice, let me think, maybe three times I've started on this car and got sidetracked. That damn thing right yonder, the yellow car number 747, is what sidetracks me. But anyway, this time the yellow car is getting sidetracked. I don't know if we're gonna get work on this or not, but we did work on a little bit this weekend. Acquired these wheels right here, the rally wheels, small bolt pattern. And this is a 1966 Barracuda that I have had for 20 years. 273 V8 car. And I have done some work to it. I already trimmed it out. When I got it, the glass had been busted out of it. Tree fell on it. And I trimmed it out in that dark forest green. It's a non-Chrysler color. This is that paint shop stuff. And it's, man, it rains all the damn time here in Youngsville. And it's been sitting out in the weather. It's been covered, but still, when it's, you know. But the car is solid. I got a little boo-boo going on back here somewhere, right here. I need to work out. This little crease. And got a brand new gasket on it. This shock absorber here was $220. And I put a new gasket around, of course, around the back window. It's had these lower quarters have been patched right there with metal and been patched right in here with metal. And the floor pans, all four floor pans have been put in it. And boy, look at that. I've got to do something about that. I can't let this car sit out in the rain. Get ready to put up another carport. That'll help. Got a couple seats for bucket seat, lightweight bucket seats out of a van. And I got a couple extra race slicks stuck in here right now. I keep forgetting they're in there. But I actually put a windshield in it, a used windshield, and it's starting to delaminate. It's going bad. So that was a waste of money. Brand new gasket and everything. This hood came off of a 66 Valiant. And this fender came off a 66 Valiant. I'm probably going to put a 318 in it. It's just a budget build. You can build a 318, 300 horsepower, 320, really cheap. Thought about doing a Hemi swap, 5.7, but I don't know, 318 904. I did acquire, along with the wheels, I acquired this A-body 8 3/4 rear end right here. It came out of a 70 Valiant. So that should fit fine. So we'll get the carport put up here hopefully in the next 2 months. And we can put this baby up under it. And then we can see if we can't start working on it. I'll put sides down on the carport. And it'll just be open in the front. And that'll help this car a lot. But yeah, this is the 66 Barracuda. Well, I'm kind of doing a bullet themed build. That dark green. I tested that color when I did the trim out. Probably would like to get it a little bit darker, but I don't know. That looks pretty good. I just shot it one coat on the trim out. No, didn't wet sand it, didn't clear it. That might be good enough. And then some torque thrust. I'll probably eventually replace those with torque thrust. But for right now, the small bolt pattern is fine. I don't even know if you can get torque thrust in small bolt pattern. Probably can't, in which case I'll widen those back wheels a little bit and maybe move the springs inboard and stuff like that. But there she is, folks, 66 Barracuda hot rod. I know it looks like crap, but I got a whole bunch of gaskets for it. Let me show you those. Well, all of this is 66 Barracuda parts, cars I've parted out, and there's brand new gaskets in there that I got from Detroit Technologies. Here's some of them right here, sitting on the parts washer of all places. So yeah, it's all good stuff. So, and up here I have some more. There's the original seats right there, and extra 64 and 66 Barracuda parts all through here. So we'll go through this stuff. It was an air conditioning car. I may put air conditioning back on it, but I'll probably use vintage air. It was an automatic in the floor. Anyway, guys, there you have it. I'm gonna tape these windows back up and tape over these openings and put the car covers back over it. And yeah, I'll tape over this one too. And try to keep this thing from getting in rough shape again, because the body is solid still. That little surface rust you saw, I'm kind of shocked to see that. I guess it came in through the open window. 66 Barracuda. I know a lot of you guys don't like that body style, but they look really good fixed up, and they kind of grow on you. Yeah, lightweight little cars. I like to have a tall roof. I'm a tall guy. I fit them pretty good. Got adequate leg room. So if you're going to subscribe to this channel, hoping to see progress on this car, it's going to be slow, real slow. I don't want to lie to you. But we got a lot of other cars on the channel. I got a Mustang I'm working on. I got the 2 drag cars right there, the Imperial stock eliminator car and the Fury drag car, and this Studebaker right over here. We're doing some stuff with, and a couple other cars. And we always got some stuff going on, but this car here, we got to get it in the shop, get a place to work on it. All right, folks, so hit that thumbs up, show me some love. We're trying to save as many cars as we can, have fun with them. And really hated the windshield messed up on me, but it did. So I need some encouragement to stay on this thing. Y'all take care. Bob out.